Good morning. My name is Iman Bahadur Thapa. I am 30 years old. I am from Kapilvastu, Nepal. I am single. I have 5 members in my family. My education is 10 pass. I have 2 years of work experience as a warehouse in Nepal. Job and duty of warehouse is to loading and unloading, storing, operating, counting, packing, take inventory, delivery, etc. I want to come to Europe country for good future, also to develop my career, earn money to support my families. Thank you. Thank you.